In this episode, we'll share some of the repair cases we've handled. This case involves an elderly lady who bought an electric wheelchair at a chain store. She used it for about 1 to 2 years. Earlier, she found that the electric wheelchair suddenly couldn't turn on. When she turned on the electric wheelchair, she saw some flashing light signals. After these flashing signals appeared, no matter how she pushed the control lever, forward, backward, left, or right, there was no response. Here's a bit of knowledge to share with you all. Actually, when you see a light signal on the wheelchair controller, each set of light signals has a specific meaning depending on how many times it flashes. We deduced that it was likely due to some loose connections or wiring issues causing the problem, rather than a fault with the controller itself.